say go, we'll give you the food, you test, and you tell us. Are we ready? Let's go. Let's start with this, please. If you taste it and you can't feel it and you want more, please let us know. If you can't feel it, you let us know. The first person to say it has 1 point. Offer the rice. Let's give it up for Rose. She has 1 point. She said, this is offer the rice. Thank you, Rose. We're moving to the next one. Do you want water? Please let them get some water to clean the taste. Let's go. Okay, this is it. Specific, what potato chips? We need the specific, what potato chips? We have different types of potato chips. The name of the potato chips. Oh, let's give it up for Rosie. She has another point. 2-0. We have 2 for Rose and we have 0 for Mesoma. Am I correct? Are you ready? Are you ready for the next one? If you want more, you let us know so we can give you more. Let's give it up to Rosie. She has another point. 3-0. Let's give it a let's clap for her. Let's clap for her. Next one, please. Let's go with this. You tell us the name. We need specific name. Hey, let's give it 1 to Mesoma. So this is 3-1. Are we ready? Next one, please. The first person to call the... There is a tie. There is a tie. Next one, there is a tie. Do you want water? Take. Thank you. No, Madam Rose has that. She has that. That's 4-1. Can we get them water, please? No, water. Okay, at the same time, please. Specific. What kind of meat? We have one. Hey, give it up for Mesoma. We have 2 to 4. 2 for Mesoma and 4 for Rose. She got it first. She got it first. She got it first. So that's 5-2. Oh, now it's ticking, it's ticking, it's ticking, it's ticking. Are we ready? Go. Ready, ready. Go. Specific. Fried meat is fried meat. Does it have a name? The first one we said have a name. Fried meat. Okay. 3 and 5. Thank you. Are we ready? 1 to go. Fried potato. Thank you. She said fried potato. Why she said fried sweet potato? Fried potato and fried sweet potato. This is fried sweet potato. So we have a winner. This is the fastest game so far. In every game, there is always a winner. And in this very game, we have 6 to Rose and 3 to Mesoma. Thank you very much. Let's clap for them, please. Let's encourage them. Thank you very much. Want to say thank you to the Foodphilosopher for hosting this female food contest. So far, so good. It has been a fantastic time with the ladies. Ladies, we want to say thank you. And we have the winner, none other person than Rose Alonge. Let's give it up to her, please. Then congratulations, ma'am.
Congratulations to the winner.
Thank you.
On behalf of the Foodphilosopher, I'm presenting the prize, the sum of 20,000 naira to the winner.
Thank you, sir.
Congratulations. Do you have anything to tell us?
Yeah, I'm happy because kitchen has always been my favorite. So this was so easy for me. So thank you.
So what would you do with the 20,000 naira, ma'am?
Of course, it's going back to the kitchen.
She said the money is actually going back to the kitchen. So the kitchen wins. Thank you very much, Rosa Lunge. We appreciate you. As the custom is, the second winner is going up with a 10,000 naira gift voucher. You can either buy drink or food, or you buy food or drink. Congratulations. What would you say to the food philosopher?
Thank you. I thank you for the thank you. Like,
So she said thank you to the food philosopher. Okay. We come to the end of this next round of the food game competition, courtesy of the food philosopher with Nefua Bar.